Why are you getting in his face?
Because he f***ing me every day. He just did this shit yesterday. Yes. He's a bitch. Yes, he's a bitch. Yeah, yes he is. You are too, bitch.
Oh, she's not gonna snatch that, is she? Okay, now you're done. Really? Now you're done. Listen, don't do that.
Bro, get off of me, okay? Get off of me, bro.
Don't do that.
Okay.
On November 7, 2024, deputies from the Volusia County Sheriff's Office responded to a disturbance at a Florida high school involving an 18-year-old student. The situation quickly escalated, leading to a physical altercation and multiple charges. This footage is real. Viewer discretion is advised.
For what?
Where are you trying to get to?
For what? For what? What am I going for?
They're gonna tell you
For what, Porter? For what? Because you want to.
What began as a routine school call would soon spiral into one of the most chaotic juvenile arrests officers had faced that month.
Because he f***ing me every day. He just did this shit yesterday. Yes. He's a bitch. Yes, he's a bitch. Yeah, yes he is. You are too, bitch. You are too, bitch. Y'all are some bitches. Okay, I'm going. I'm going.
Good.
I'm going. You see it, don't you? Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, what y'all finna do?
Well,
Because I'm getting arrested. Bitch, do that. All y'all, all y'all, all three of y'all bitches. Yeah.
okay.
Press your baggage charge. I know you do that.
Okay.
Okay.
We appreciate you complying. Thank you. Okay. Oh, man, that hurts me. That hurts me so much. Oh, man. That hurts my feelings. Man.
I know. Know that shit y'all so, especially the borders. And especially when you got no authority on nobody, he mad as can't have authority.
You're right.
Call my mom before y'all call her.
Okay.
Want to fuck me every day. Every day.
Let's
Just got
talk-
to school.
let's
Just got
talk-
dropped off.
Let's talk.
He already, as soon as he seen me, start whispering the motherfucking headphones.
hey, if you
Okay,
come-
okay. You're not mad. I am. So you don't feel how I feel.
Okay, we'll come talk about it.
Okay. Hello? Hello? Okay, as soon as I get to school, the man's coming around. Here you go. Go in the office. I'm like, I'm going to take my picture. He's like, no, you're not doing that. So I get in the room to take my pictures. He called the police, everybody, because I'm trying to go in the office to take my picture. I'm like, you talking about go to the office? I'm like, for what? He like, I can't tell you. We don't have to give you a reason.
Her confusion is real, but so is her defiance. She doesn't yet realize how serious this situation is becoming.
Why am I here?
If you let
Why?
us talk, we'll
Because
tell
I'm
you.
going to take my pictures? For what? Okay, why?
You want to talk?
No, I've been wanting to talk to you in the hallway.
Go in that room and we'll
No.
tell you why.
No. So we just sit in the silence. Can I go take my pictures? Y'all just stay here.
You're not taking your pictures.
Talk to one of y'all.
Okay, we'll call her from the office because I can't hear her at all.
How can you not hear her? I can hear her.
I can't hear
You
her
can hear her
at
perfectly.
all.
It's on speaker.
I can't. So she wants
So you don't hear her saying, hi, sir, how are you? I hear her perfectly fine.
Turn up the volume.
Stop lying.
Turn up the volume.
Talk. You hear her. Hello, Mom.
You need to relax. And you need
She
to get
said,
out of my
hello,
face.
how are you?
You need to get out of my face. Because I'm not playing. You need to back up. I'm going to give you one other option. And then I'm going to have to be forced to do something because you want to get in my face.
Do you not hear my mama talking to you or no?
I will call her from an office phone.
For what? She on the phone already.
That's okay. I will call her from an office phone. I'll let her know what's going on.
All right, what's going on? Let me know.
We'll talk to her in there. Like I
Okay,
told you.
tell me what's going on. Why am I here? Why?
Go in that
Okay, why
office
am I
and we
here?
will tell you what's going on.
No, y'all just want to mess with me every day. Y'all just
No. Don't touch
every
him.
day. This is mine.
Oh, she's not going to snatch that, is she? Okay, now you're done.
Really?
Now you're done. Listen, don't do that.
Bro, get off of me, okay? Get off of me, bro.
Don't do that.
Okay, don't do that.
This is where everything unravels. Words are no longer enough. Physical force becomes the only way forward.
Get your hands off of me, bro. Yes. Bro, get off of me. Okay, I'm stopping. Stop touching me, bro.
Stop resisting now.
Bro,
Stop resisting now.
get off of me.
No, you're done. You're
Okay, I
done.
can
You
be
put your
done.
hands on administrator. You are done.
Bro, Coco, cut it down.
Stop.
I'm not fucking. This is get the f off off of me, bro.
Okay.
You fucking pushing me and shit. I'm not resisting. I'm sitting on the fucking day.
You're making it worse.
Bro, if I was resisting, I would be beating your ass right now. Get the fuck off of me.
Get off the fucking table now. I'm done
You
with
just
you.
put me on the table, bitch.
I'm done with you.
Bro, get off of me. But I don't care. Call who you gotta call. Bitch. I was on the floor with my
Can
mama.
you send it back if you just high school? I got one juvenile.
Bro, do that.
Fighting.
Do that.
All right.
Do that.
You need to calm down.
I am calm.
All right.
I was calm.
I'm done.
I was calm.
Now
Be
you wanna
done.
put your
Be
hands-
done. I don't care. You put your hands on me. What's up? What's up? The fuck you want to put your hands on me? Now you want to press charges, bro.
No,
Get
you're
off of
done.
me. Okay, be done. I don't
You're done.
care.
Put your hands
Move,
behind your
Coco.
back.
I
Put
don't
your
give
hands
a
behind your
fuck.
back.
Get
Put your
off
hands
of me,
behind your
bro.
back.
Okay, hey, don't. Just let it happen. It's fine.
Right, let it happen. Let me sit down, bro. Stop.
Just turn around.
Down.
Here, just turn
Can
around.
a nigga breathe?
In the dean's office right now with
Call who you gotta call, bro. Where's my phone? Where my mom on there? Bro, what's your issue? Can I pick up my
Give me your hands.
Can I pick
Give
up
me-
my shit?
Yeah, I'll grab it for you.
Give me your hands.
Coco, get the f- out of me, bro.
You got your right. There we go. Come on. Take it. Hey, man.
Can you get off of me, please? Let me breathe.
You're not
Okay,
following
listen,
directions.
get the f- off of me, bro. Let me breathe. Damn, let me fucking breathe, bro. Get the f- off of me, Coco. I don't
She's
give
not
a-
just
Bro,
resisting, she's
Daisy,
breaking
get
down
off of me.
emotionally. The officers are clearly
Take your
trying to
hands.
de-escalate, but nothing
Get
is
off
working.
of me, bro. Move, let me breathe. Okay, let me breathe real quick. Get the f- off of me.
Now. All right. Listen. I'm trying to help you, but you don't want to do it. You put your hands on administrator. I'm done. And now you're going to be taken into custody.
Yup,
So all you got to do is relax.
yup,
You got too much.
yup.
So you can either do this.
Get out my
completely
face.
complain- I'm not moving.
All right, well, I'm calling my mama.
You're not going to call your mom
Why?
because you're done.
Okay, I'm calling my mama.
Stop.
Bro, Coco, you're not even stronger than me, bitch. You pussy as fuck. You're a pussy.
Trying not to
You're a
hurt you.
pussy. You're a pussy.
Okay.
You're a pussy.
Okay.
You're a pussy. Get the fuck off of me, bro. You're not stronger than me, bitch. Obviously.
Well,
Pussy as fuck. He pussy as fuck.
Yep.
You destroy all the stuff. Get the fuck off me.
You're not following directions.
Okay.
Calm down.
go shoot your leg.
Come on.
Got lotion all over her.
Come on, let's go. Just get down.
After the takedown, adrenaline crashes. Reality sets in, but the shouting, it still doesn't stop.
1 kilo 52. I have one in custody. Go ahead, take a seat.
I'm straight. I'm sitting down.
Take a seat now. I'm not
Ooh,
asking
Coco,
you.
boy.
Enough. Take a seat and stop resisting.
Ooh,
Chill
boy.
out.
Boy.
Hey, hold up. Hold up. Come on. Hey, just sit down.
Just sit. Relax.
I can't, bitch.
Just
I
watch
just.
her. I don't know.
Oh, it's lens adhesive.
You
Velvet.
What is all this?
Velvet shake in here.
I'm not in the mood. You ask stupid shit. You see it on the table, don't you? Okay then.
Okay, let's go to my office, please. And you can either do
Okay,
this
I
or-
can walk.
All right, let's go.
Don't touch me.
Well, too bad. I'm being, I'm
Move,
escorting
okay.
you. I'm escorting
escort
you.
me, bitch.
Chill out.
Yeah, he better move because he know how he get, boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right, boy.
Okay.
Hey, okay, let me go. I can walk. Bitch. Move.
No. You need to relax.
Move.
Stop
I don't
resisting.
need y'all to touch me. I can walk dolo. Move, bruh.
Cheers.
You can't fit through the same door, dumb bitch. Move. Damn, okay, move. Man, girl, shut up.
Sit up. We're gonna go to this seat. I want her handcuffs behind her back.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
Okay,
You're not like a child, we're gonna treat you like a child. Okay?
okay. Do that.
I will.
All right, do that.
Listen, we don't want
You
to have
obviously couldn't
to.
fit through the same door, though. That's common
All right,
sense.
go ahead,
Obviously,
stand
you
up.
don't got it. Can I put my arm on my back?
I will put it behind you.
Can I do
Do
it
not
like
grab
so?
my hand and
Yeah.
I do not grab my arm again.
I'm putting my arm behind my back, girl.
You're gonna catch a resisting charge if you already have it.
I
So
already
relax.
did, bitch, obviously. 'Cause I was
Relax.
resisting. That's why you called y'all to.
Relax.
I am relaxed. Can you not blow my arm? I already put it behind my back.
you can't.
I did that. Get the f off my neck,
Stop
Get
resisting.
I'm not gonna
Stop
spit in your face.
resisting.
Relax.
Get off my neck, bro.
All right, she's double locked. All right, let's go and sit her down.
Go ahead, sit down.
Well, you're about to get searched, so don't shove me.
Okay, sir,
You're gonna
I'm
catch
naked,
another.
obviously.
You're
Can
gonna
you
catch
get your
another.
fucking hair off of me, bro? I don't need you to touch me. Who the fuck called this? Like, fucking take her out of here. You want to touch all on my neck and shit? Bitch, what's up?
All right, so because you have been fighting, you're going to be put in this ground locking station. So if you want, you can scoot your chair up a little to make it more comfortable. Go ahead and sit back. All right, well, just sit there then. So you're now in custody, obviously, for battering on a school board employee, battering on a law enforcement officer, resisting with violence, and obviously the possession of marijuana and everything else that you have. So, good. You want to come with me?
Now comes the explanation. Prior infractions, school disruptions. Everything led to this moment, a boiling point of repeated behavior.
Resource deputy, and Mr. Canetti can kind of explain a little bit about what happened beforehand. If he,
I already did.
Okay, so he explained to you a little bit about what happened. I guess she walked past him. He had some discipline that he wanted to address. She wouldn't have it. I'm sure she was using profanity, refusing to comply with his order. Started yelling, and he called me. I heard the yelling, at which point I responded. All right, she went into a classroom that was doing pictures. That was active classroom too. They were doing their computer work, and she started yelling, refusing his orders and things of that nature. At which point we tried to escort her to the dean's office. So she's gonna get charges for all that. She is 18 years old. She does not go to juvenile court. She's gonna go to the branch jail. She's gonna get battery on a law enforcement officer. She's gonna get resisting a law enforcement officer with violence, and then she's gonna get campus disruption. Get that off, because that can't go with you, and any other kind of jewelry would definitely be helpful, okay? That's all her property, okay? No problem. You don't need to apologize. You didn't do anything wrong. It was her. It's no reflection on you, okay? At this point, they're adults. They make their own decisions. And this is what happens. You make a wrong decision on that line, okay? So she needs to learn, just like you said. This is her opportunity, all right? This might help, all right? All right, so you've been searched. Go ahead and enter. Let me get that real quick. Okay, you all right? Watch yourself. You didn't. You caught it. Good job. All right. There you go. Here.
In the end, Mackay was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer with violence, disturbing or disrupting school, possession of nicotine under 21 years of age, and possession of less than 20 grams of marijuana. She ultimately reached a plea bargain and pled no contest.
Is charged with battery on an officer, resisting with violence, school disruption, and drug possession. This arrest carries weight.